What's going on, guys? Welcome to Pay Per Click Crypto, where I take you only to the most legit ICO. I want to remind you guys that I'm not your financial advisor, so it is important that you do your own research and due diligence before jumping in any ICO. Today, we're going to talk about our ICO review number 4. The name of the new ICO is Kora Network. So what is Kora Network? Before we begin, I want to show you their introduction video about the overview or the vision of their project.
Meet Musa, a farmer from a rural area in Africa. After the harvest, he drives 2 hours to the city to sell his produce. Since he has no bank account, Musa accepts cash only. Suddenly, Musa gets a call from his wife that their son is sick. To pay for his family's health care, he has to get a loan. He goes to a bank, but because he has no credit history, he is rejected. By carrying large sums of cash, he attracts thieves. To get the money he needs, he relies on informal methods, such as borrowing from friends and family, loan sharks, or the local co-ops. To receive money from family abroad, he uses a hawala, a system for cash transfer. Finally, Musa has enough money. However, now Musa is deeply in debt, keeping him in the poverty cycle. The UN statistics estimate that there are about 2.5 billion unbanked people in the world like Musa. Now, imagine they could benefit from financial services that help build a better life. We give you Kora. Kora is an infrastructure for creating inclusive financial systems. Kora is universal. Anyone can use Kora. You don't need a smartphone or even internet access, or to understand English, technology, or finance. All you need is any phone. Kora is low cost. By developing the Kora network on the blockchain, we remove the biggest costs that traditional financial service providers face. Kora engages with existing communities. Kora empowers local communities instead of disrupting them. We give them the tools to adapt to their own needs and environment. How does Kora work? Kora offers financial services on the blockchain through smartphone apps, SMS, USSD interfaces, and in-person access. To build trust and familiarity, value is denoted in e-fiat, tokens that are pegged to national currencies. With these tools, communities can share value by creating community value networks, or CVNs, that become centers for identity, lending, and money transfer. Kora is launching a beta focused on farmers. Remember Musa? In our beta, he can receive money from customers or his family abroad instantly, use his balance to purchase necessities for his farm, get text updates about best practices and weather conditions, pool his capital with others in the CVN to help each other smooth out cash flow, secure an identity with tools like Uport so he can build a verified financial reputation, access other blockchain value-added services with Kora, potential ecosystem platforms like Salt Lending, Greenium, Grid Plus, or EtherLoan, all through his mobile phone. Join us on our mission to alleviate billions of people around the world from extreme poverty. Register to test our alpha or our communities at GitHub, Telegram, Slack, and Twitter.
Alright guys, the term kora is a popular musical instrument in the western or eastern region of Africa, frequently played in songs of celebration or to pass a message of hope. Kora Network is also a project of hope for billions of people who are underserved by the current financial system today. While there has been progress toward financial inclusion, an estimate of 2 billion adults worldwide don't have a basic account or bank account. These barriers to account opening includes distance from a financial service provider, lack of necessary documentation papers, and lack of trust in financial service providers. Kora believes that existing platforms fail to address users' lack of access to electricity, the internet, or capital to afford a smartphone, as well as lack of understanding around technology and finance. As a result, they estimate that billions of people cannot grow and accumulate wealth causing a humanitarian economic crisis that leaves one of third world's potential for value creation. So the Kora Network is expected to provide a low-cost financial service platform for everyone. It can be accessible through SMS, on feature phones, or with internet via mobile app and powered by blockchain technology. The Kora network is expected to lower the cost to serve low-income populations and brings them into the global economy. So Kora Network is an ICO originally from Hong Kong. And as you can see here in this photo, you can access Kora Network even without an internet, where you can check your balance, deposit or withdraw. You can send money anywhere as long as it is in the scope of Kora Network. You can request money, you can lend or borrow, buy airtime, pay your bills, or contact anyone in the Kora community. Now Kora serves low cost for everyone. No matter how rich or poor you are, everything is low cost at Kora Network. Universal access, accessible without internet or a smartphone. Community engagement, empower existing communities instead of disrupting them. So the Kora ecosystem, this whole Kora network is aimed to build a wealth by creating self-sustaining community-owned ecosystem. Self-sustaining means the wealth in the community as a whole grows, and community-owned means participants in the existing community take on most of the key roles within the ecosystem. They also call this one as community value networks or CVN. The community value networks are used by farming cooperatives, saving groups, and national trade unions. And these are the four fundamental functions are built into the Kora network. First is the identity. Users can prove they are who they are and validity of their activity. So according to UN, there will be around 1.5 billion people around the world that still don't have an identity up to these days. So Kora network is a big help for proving their identity. Secure storage. User can protect their funds from being stolen or devalued. So it is very secure because it is backed by a smart contract from Ethereum network. So it is 100% decentralized and 100% secure. Number 3 is money transfer. Users can transfer money to each other quickly and securely. Let's say, for example, if someone living in London wants to send money back to their mother in the village in Nigeria, they have to go to local money transfer company, right? Just like Western Union, MoneyGram, or TransferWise, which normally takes about 5 to 8% fees per transaction. Then, the person that they send money with, like their parents, has to go or send someone travel 2 to 3 hours to the nearest place to pick up the cash. So I'm talking about the parents that live in the remote areas like mountain places, far away from the city. So with Kora, they don't need to travel anymore because the payment they can receive it any place or any time they want with a very small fee needed. Number 4 is marketplaces. Users can easily access the venues to exchange money for goods, services, and capital. So this is the Kora ecosystem. The blockchain stores identity and transactions, runs software modules, and connects to other blockchains while preserving user privacy. So 100% secure. We use Tendermint Deep POS as a consensus algorithm allowing discoverability while maintaining decentralization in blockchain, secured by the Kora Network token. So this is the roadmap. Seed investment started in July 2017. The Kora 1.0 development begins. It is based on USSD, SMS, and mobile app, and that is in August. By September, Kora 1.0 launches on Ethereum testnet, so they tested already. Then November, user testing launched in West Africa, so it's already done. It's already proven. Then by December 2017, that was then on December 2017, the Kora Network development. Then now February, the pre-sale, although there is a little delay because instead of February, the pre-sale is moved to early March. Then as well as the Kora 1.0 launches a permission testnet. Then on March, the first beta launches. So we can expect this one as long as the public sale. And then in May, first beta meets all milestone. Then August 2018, launch pilot in Africa, then expansion, and as long as in 2019 is Kora 2.0 launches. So that's all about their roadmap. So moving on to the team of Kora Network. CEO Dixon Safor and CEO Mao Mao Hu are well-known people in the financial world. You can Google their name to see some of their joint ventures, some of their projects. They have been into a lot of conference. They are well experienced, and the team is made of 10 people, the core team, with 4 advisors, and these are their partners. Now, that ends my review about Kora Network. I'm going to leave the link of their website, or if you need more assistance, I'm going to leave the link of their Telegram group, as long as their white paper for you to know more about the project. And I also have a detailed review about Kora Network in my blog at surfile.com. So for more updates, you can hit the subscribe button below, and take care always. Bye-bye.